it. So today is Self-Care Sunday. So we're going to talk about everything self-care because I want you to know that Pure Romance is not just about sex toys. We are also about health and beauty and sexual education, sexual health and wellness. So today we're going to talk about self-care, especially right now at this time where everyone's going into quarantine and everything going on, and we're all stuck at home. This is the most important time for us to take care of ourselves, because if you can't take care of yourself, how can you expect to take care of others, right? Especially if you have little ones or someone that you're taking care of that's elderly, or even have a partner as well. So this is the best and the most important time for self-care. Okay, so to talk about a couple of things, we're just going to dive right on in. So the very first one I want to talk about is our Coco Glow. So our Coco Glow is our self-tanner that doesn't leave streaks, orange, or anything like that. And you're like, well, why is this about self-care? Well, whenever you have a tan, you feel really good, right? You feel good about yourself. We haven't seen daylight in like days. All it's been doing is raining, and so we feel sluggish. I don't know about you, because I know that I have. And then finally I was like, you know what, I want to feel like I've been in the sun, and I feel like if I look darker, I feel thinner, like I just feel better. So giving yourself a tan without having to go to the tanning bed and stuff is perfect. So again, no stinkiness, no orange, no streaks or anything like that. Literally the best. Goes on like lotion, just in a circular motion. So we have it in 2 shades, light, medium, and medium dark. So our Coco Glow. The next one, and especially if you guys are working from home. So if you guys are working from home, most of the time you're like, what's the point of taking a shower, right? And then before you know it, 3 days later goes by and you're like, oh my God, I really don't feel good. So spritz yourself. We have Kiss. It's a refreshing mist. It's a deodorizing spray, and actually smells really, really good. Anything that smells really good is going to make you feel better about yourself. Also, it's going to give you a little pep. You're going to feel good. You're going to become happier. And also because it does have pheromones in it. And pheromones is extremely important to, because it is a natural mood lifter as well. So in our Kiss, we have our refreshing fragrance mist spray. It does come in many different wonderful scents, so you can find the perfect scent that is for you. So that's our Kiss. And our Body Dew has pheromones in it too. There's several things that have pheromones. And while we're talking about pheromones, our Basic Instinct. This is our pheromone roller ball that's oil based, so that way it goes into the bloodstream, because it will make you feel better. You will become happier. You can handle stress better as well, especially right now. And especially if your kids are home with you and you're like, I don't know how I'm supposed to work and have kids all over the place. It is perfect. So put in your temple area, put on your wrists. And also as we age, we start losing pheromones. So this is perfect. So use your Basic Instinct. It's going to give you a little pep and extra, and plus maybe a little bow chicka wow wow later on, right? Okay. Along with our pheromones, we have our perfumes, because scents are very important, because if you smell good, we feel good, right? And how we feel is how we're going to portray out into the world. Also, it's also going to affect what kind of production we put out into our work as well. So we have our Flirt Perfume, which is my fave, and then our Dirty French. Oh, it's gonna make you go like for real. Okay. And then we do have the Flirt in a roller ball now, so easy travel to go, so that way you don't have to carry the big perfume bottles everywhere. So our perfumes are perfect because they do have pheromones in them. All right, next is the firming cream. Again, this stuff is liquid gold, people. Firming cream, tightens and tones, gets rid of cellulite, no double chin going on. It smooths out. I've been telling you, it's evened out my skin tone, so I don't have to wear foundation anymore. I just put blush and I'm done. Okay, and eye makeup. So it's going to hydrate your skin. It's also going to make you feel beautiful. You're gonna feel youthful. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh. You're gonna wake up every morning looking at yourself and be like, oh, I'm so gonna do myself today, right? Okay, or you're like, I'm so gonna do you. So it makes you feel good, makes you look good. Also really good for your when you go to the mirror and you're like, I love my hair damage. Look at all those little freckles, right? No, right? Says no woman ever. So firming cream, perfect, and it smells good. It's very light. If you have sensitive skin, it has sensitive eyes. I use it all over my face and it doesn't irritate and it doesn't leave greasiness at all. Okay. Next one is our Chafe Escape. This is perfect, especially for all of my nurses. No chafing, no rubbing, because you guys are running around rampant. One, I want to say thank you for working tirelessly in and out, having all those patients coming in and they're leaving, and then like your feet probably hurt or you get chafing from your feet because you're on your feet more so than you were before. Your thighs are maybe rubbing. This is perfect for you guys. Even if you're at home chasing your kids and you're not used to chasing your kids around, you might be noticing that you start getting rashes in places. Chafe Escape, guys, and this is perfect because it's unisex as well. It's even great for your partner. So that way their balls don't stick to their legs and their thighs. It's really, really good. And it's like magic. It's a cream to powder. I know, right? So that way you don't have to use like baby powder. It looks like a snow globe just moving in your bathroom. Okay. So that's your Chafe Escape. The next one is our Miracle Oil. So Miracle Oil is so good. Literally helps with dandruff, life. If you have slight eczema, it has tea tree oil in it, so it's really good for like to help minimize low bacteria. Obviously it's not going to be for sanitizing, but for bacteria. If you have the kids at home, and kids will always be kids, they're gonna fall, they're gonna have cuts, scrapes, all that kind of stuff, and you're like, oh my gosh, with all the viruses going on, right? So you can just put this on your Miracle Oil on there. It's gonna help with that too. So, but literally it is called Miracle Oil because it is a miracle in a bottle. All right. And now the next ones, I want to go through our essential oils. Our essential oils are amazing, especially at this time. So we have several, and I meant to go look at, I meant to be prepared. So we have several here, so on the website, but we've got our the first one I really want to talk about is our Be Kind Unwind. Exactly what it says. Right now everything's going rampant, our emotions are high, and we're talking about like we're bickering at each other, right? So Be Kind Unwind, it's literally going to calm you down. It's got calming lavender in it. It's going to help stabilize your emotions. It's really good when it's our time of the month where our emotions are high and everything's a roller coaster. It's going to like level all of that down. So Be Kind Unwind for sure. And what it has in it, okay, it's got clary sage, fennel seed, lavender, chamomile, and carrot seed. So it kind of helps you keep you cool and support your hormonal ups and downs, especially right now at this time, right? So our next one is our Rise and Grind. This is perfect for you guys that are working from home. All you gotta do is like walk to the living room or to the kitchen and go to work, right? But then sometimes you're like, I really just don't want to get up, and you're like, I don't have the energy. Rise and Grind. Rise and Grind is going to, it's like a little pep up in your step. It's going to re-energize you. It's going to motivate you. It's going to get you going. So put it in your like your temple areas. So Rise and Grind is a confidence boosting essential oil blend. It has grapefruit, peppermint, vanilla, and rosemary in it. So it's a kickstart feeling of confidence and energy to kind of really get you going and start off your day right. So that is your Rise and Grind. Okay, this is perfect for daycare owners. Like you're chasing people all the way and you have to be top-notch energy. Rise and Grind all the way. Okay, and then we got our Bang Bang. Do I need to say more? Right? Okay. This is our libido enhancing oil. And it's going to jumpstart, ignite feeling of love and passion and romance and really kind of get you going. And it's perfect, especially right now. If you and your partner are at home together, what better way to work on your relationship? Right? So you have more time to be able to spend time together, more time to be together. So work on your relationship. Work on your communication. Compare it with our hot date night cards. These are perfect because we are. It's just a great time to be together, to learn more about each other, be on a deeper connection level. So Bang Bang and your hot date night, even paired with a great massage. So we have our massage oil that has a Hello Libido, which has been renamed Bang Bang in this. So give a good, nice, warm and connection massage, because when you're having a massage, you're connecting with each other. Use it with our hot throb, our reusable heating pad that get hot to 129 degrees instantly, and it comes with vibrating massagers. Yeah, I'm sure you can figure out what else to use with it, okay? Especially when you're using it with a Hello Libido massage oil, right? Okay, and it comes with 2 of these, and it comes with 2 vibrating massagers to go along with it. We have our candle, the Burning Desire massage candle, like all of that, okay? To go along with our, to tell you about the Bang Bang, it's got ylang ylang in it, sandalwood, lemon balm, and cedarwood, okay? And then we've got our Kickstart. Kickstart is our metabolism boosting essential oil. You put 4 drinks or 4 drops in 4 ounces of water, and it's going to metabolize. It's going to like a jump start for your metabolism. It's going to energize you as well. So it's perfect to kind of get you out of the house. If you have a treadmill at home and like, I really don't want to work out, this right here, with that, you're gonna be going. So exercise, promote like walking and things like that to go along with that. So Kickstart is perfect, especially for you nurses and stuff. You're like working extra long hours. Take that 4-ounce shot and then go on with your day. Use it with your rise and grind too. Like, it's going to be perfect, okay? Because we don't want to feel drained at this time in our life right now, right? We're like, we got to keep going, got to keep moving, right? So, and then after all of that, I think we have one. Oh, and then we have the last ones are open sesame. So this right here has eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, and lemon peel. It's going to help you sleep better at night. It's going to, if you are congested too, right? Everything going on, it's going to help open up your airways. It's going to let you breathe better. Put on the balm of your feet or your kids' feet, your partner's feet. It's going to help open it up. You're going to sleep better at night. You're going to have more of a better restful sleep, so that way you can wake up at your best performance the next day. So open sesame, I swear by this, like legit swear. Last year, I had a girl that her daughter was in track and field and she was having congestion issues. They put the open sesame on. She was able to run better without having a whole bunch of film and stuff in her throat. So open sesame, guys, okay? Now with all of this going on, our anxiety, we are tired, we have we just feel maybe overstressed. I highly suggest our new CBD body soak. It is so relaxing. If you have sore muscles, you guys have probably seen my post where I have my sore muscles. I was hardly able to walk, but this is also really good for anxiety. So calm relieving, de-stress you, have some time for yourself. This right here is absolutely amazing. It's going to reset your body. It's going to reset your whatever mentally as well. So your body soak, and it also has lavender and chamomile in it too, so it's perfect even right before bed. So you can even ask your doctor if you want, but it might be really good for your kids that super energetic, to calm them down too, and even pair it with our massage melt. So if your hands hurt because you're working them all the time, you have arthritis in your hands, this right here is going to help with that, and the scent is going to calm you down too. So you can even use this during the day when you're at work, or when you're just running around. The lavender and chamomile is going to calm you down at the exact same time, and it's perfect to use on your hands, and it's not greasy at all whatsoever. So it's actually a gel. Oh, and it smells so good. Okay, so our healing massage melt, and it truly does work. So I used it on my back when I couldn't bend over a while ago. So then are between the sheets, I should have done this when we just talked about the Bang Bang, right? So but spray this on your sheets before you go to bed, and it's going to give you a better sleep, because now you're like, oh, there's nothing that feels better than sheets that are silky soft, and it just makes you want to just cuddle, and then it's going to help you sleep better at night. Spray on your sheets before making love. right? Okay, it's going to make them silky soft, but most importantly, it dries up the wet spot. Okay. And if you have dogs or animals, spray this on. It's going to help cover up that dander smell as well, so that way you're not like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do laundry, I gotta do it, right? So it's going to help refreshen your sheets too. So love, love, love this. And then we've got our if you are washing your hands constantly right now and you're like, my hands are so dry and they're chapping because we're trying to sanitize our hands and everything right now, especially nurses and whatnot. This right here is our repair balm. It is going to hold 400 times its water weight. So it's going to restore your hands, because when our hands are dry, we don't feel sexy. We don't feel good about ourselves. And then you're like, well, what's the point, right? And again, remember, if you can't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. So you have to start with yourself first. So our repair balm is perfect for that, to hydrate your skin. You feel good, your hands not so dry, but yet you are still sanitizing and stuff together at the same time. So our repair balm is, and it's perfect for your feet. So no more heel feet or the scratchy, itchy heels. Like, it's smoothing it all out. Okay. And then of course, our coochie, right? Okay. Just because we're at home doesn't mean we don't have to shave, right? It is not November. Okay, so but shaving is feel really good because you're taking care of yourself. It's something that you're doing for yourself, and we all love touching our soft skin. Okay, if you have a partner, touching soft skin, not hairy legs, right? So anything, communication, get together, increase your relationship for the love within yourself, and also the love with your partner. Okay, so our coochie, our rash-free shaving cream, no rash, no bumps or irritations. And the last thing I'm going to talk about, okay, is our brand new UV that we have here. Okay, so this is, have you been reading this? You've been seeing this the whole video, right? The world's cleanest orgasm, the safest way to sanitize and store your toys. Okay, right now nobody wants a germ-full vibrator up our vagina, right? Okay, so we have it in 2 colors, and right now it is available online, and I will tell you that it is the same price online than it is on our website, and you get a 1-year warranty. So in the directions, you register a 1-year warranty on this, and it kills 99.9% of germs on your toys. But it's not just for your toys. It's for the kids' toys. It's for your toothbrushes, your hairbrushes, your tablets, stinky fingers all over, right? Okay. It is for everyday household items that this is going to clean. It is a UV chest for everyday household items, okay? And your toys are considered a household item, okay? So really quick on the box, but 99.9% of germs. It takes 10 minutes to sanitize anything that's in here. It's also got 3 charging ports, okay? So I'm gonna open this, okay? Oh, and it's got a lock right here as well. So you can set your own code, and when you register this online for your 1-year warranty, it even asks you what your code is. So that way, if you forgot your code, it will retrieve your code for you. How cool is that? So this is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and it's got the 3 charging ports right here on this side. Okay, and when you plug it in and you close it, this right here will illuminate, and that's when the 10-minute timer starts. So, and it will turn off when the 10 minutes is over, so that way you know that the sanitizing is done. So really, really cool. Comes in black, also comes in white. So this is the bigger of the boxes. It's really neat. Oh, and it does come, I think I forgot to tell you guys. So it does come with 2 trays. 2 dividers, not 2 trays, but 2 dividers that you can put in here. So it's really kind of neat. I love it right now because it's going to sanitize, and I'm thinking, you know what, like, sanitize your toothbrushes, right? Any household item, it gets great, and you can use it over and over and over again. That's what I love about it. So just make sure that you are using our cleansing mist to clean your toys before you put it in, because you do need to do that, okay? Just because it's UV doesn't mean it's going to clean all the stuff on there, right? Like, it's not going to clean the crusties and stuff, let's just be honest, okay? So clean your toys and then put it in there. It's going to get rid of 99.9% of all the germs that are in there. So anyway, I'm sorry that this video is a little bit long, but self-care is very, very important, especially right now. Love yourself, guys, okay? Increase the relationship within yourself first, and then we can self-care everyone else after that, okay? So love ya.